I'm going to teach you, learn how to get started in Notion step by step without getting lost. Open your browser and head to Notion. So, if it's your first time, click the Sign Up button in the top right corner. You can create your account with email, Google, or Apple. Choose whatever's easiest for you. Once you're in, Notion will ask how you plan to use it. Click Personal under Use Notion for, then select Continue. This simply tailors the workspace to solo use and can be changed later. On the left sidebar, click plus New Page to create your first page. A blank canvas opens. At the very top, click the word Untitled and give your page a clear title so you can find it easily later. If you want a ready-made layout, click Templates on the right or inside the page. Templates are pre-built pages for things like to-do lists, notes, or project trackers, and you can preview them before applying one. To start writing, click anywhere on the page and type. Notion organizes content into blocks, so every new paragraph, list item, or image is its own block. Type // to open the block menu. From here, you can add a heading to create structure, a list for tasks or ideas, a table for simple spreadsheet-like tracking, or an image to add visuals. Press Enter to create a new block and keep building your page. If you're experimenting, don't worry, everything is easy to move or change. When you hover over any block, you'll see a 6-dot handle on the left. Click and drag that handle to reorder your content. This makes it simple to rearrange ideas without copy-pasting. If you move something by accident, undo your last action to roll it back. For broader organization, use the sidebar. You can create folders or simply drag one page into another to make subpages. This is a great way to keep related notes, tasks, or resources grouped together, and nothing gets lost when you reorganize. If you want to collaborate or keep things private, click Share at the top right. You can invite others when you're ready or toggle your page to private to keep it just for you. You're always in control of who can view or edit. Finally, click Settings and Members at the bottom of the left sidebar to adjust preferences. Here you can fine-tune appearance, notifications, and other basics to make Notion more comfortable for your workflow. Now you know exactly where to click in Notion. Stay organized and stress-free. Subscribe for more easy tutorials.